Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you another tricks in Python. You can do it, but I won't be suggesting to do, but if you want to know whether it's possible or not, so that's why actually I'm going to show you. So the tricks is like, can we execute actually Python program in txt file? Is it possible? Or can we write Python program in txt file? Let me show you, it is possible. So let's say I will create a txt file here, 76. The name of the txt file, let's say my program txt. So inside txt file, I'm going to write a simple code. Let's say a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6. Now simply I'm going to do the addition operation. So result is equal to a plus b, and I'm going to print this particular result. That's it. So this is my, let's say, Python program. Now if I want to execute this txt file, what I have to do, I have to take my terminal first of all. So let me open up my terminal. I'm going to take the command prompt. So now see, just write this command. So Python 76 my program.txt. Now see, if I execute the program, it will give you 11. Okay, so it's a very interesting concept inside Python. So Python allows to execute any other file as well. It's not like that you can only execute .py file, you can execute also any other file as well. So for this, you have to use the Python command every time. Okay, Python command every time, and you can give this particular txt file location. It will execute that file. Not only that, you can also write any other code. Let's say whatever code you have written previously, you can also copy paste here and you can execute that particular code. But what is the use of to use the IDE, okay, instead of this txt file? Because in txt file, there is no indentation. Let's say if I just write def, let's say results is a function. Okay, now see, if I hit enter, it will go to at the very first position of the line. Okay, there is no indentation. But whenever I was using any other file, let's say IPynb file or let's say .py file, there it was following the indentation. Every time whenever I was passing the enter, it will go inside the function. That means it will give me after one tab. Okay, here actually my cursor will be suggesting, and it was giving the suggestion and everything, right? And there I was see the beautiful color of the code. So this kinds of facility will get in the IDE, that means in the Python file, okay, or Jupyter notebook file, which you won't be getting in the txt file, because it's a plain text actually will be getting here. Okay, so unless and until you are not a pro coder, so no need to write the code inside txt file. But if you're a pro coder, if you understand the indentation and everything, that time you can also write code in txt file. But this is not actually I mean recommended. I just showed you we can do it in Python, but you have to write the code in py file or Jupyter notebook file only. Okay, this is the idea. Now let me delete this line. Yeah, so I hope you got it. We can execute the code in txt file as well. So thanks for watching.